sumisigaw natin ng 5 claps si Team A and say very good then thumbs up. Okay po, let's give 5 claps, thumbs up and say very good. Okay pa? Okay, 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. At Team A, dahil binigay rin ng Team B yung best nila kanina sa game, bigyan din natin sila ng 3 claps and say good job then thumbs up. Okay po, 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Ayan, dahil lahat kayo good job at very good, lahat po kayo may giveaway from Lala Chan. Pero bago yun, kids, ano yung gagawin natin, Lala Chan? Magda-dance ulit tayo ng favorite dance ni Lala. Ayan, okay, hands up muna ulit tayo, kids. Hands up. And arms sideward. Sideward.